Divide 8,450 divided by 25. Whenever we have a two-digit divisor and we need to find out how many times 25 goes into that number, we start out with the first two digits and then move on with long division. So, how many times does 25 go into 84? Well, 3. Not exactly, but 3. 3 times 25, these are friendly numbers, is 75. So we write that number, we subtract. 84 minus 75 is 9. Drop down the next number, which is 5, and repeat the process. 25 times what is 95? Well, I'm going to put 3 again, because 3 times 25 is 75. We subtract. 95 minus 75, friendly numbers, is 20. Now we drop down that last number, which is 0, and we ask ourselves, how many times does 25 go into 200? Well, 8. We take 8, multiply it to 25, get 200 exactly, subtract 200 minus 200 is 0. With no more numbers to drop down and 0 as my last number, that means my remainder is 0. So I have no remainder. So my final answer is going to be 338.